So we've got the Craftsman GT 6000 here, 1995. Got an oil leak from these NPT fittings right here, so I gotta put some tape and dope on them, seal them up. So I gotta drain my oil. It's only got maybe 25 hours on it, 35 hours, not too many. But I'm just gonna change the filter at the same time. I got the Napa Gold 1516 on there. It's a pretty big filter. It's like 4.5 inches long versus the stock 2.5, 3-inch one. Started to drain it already a little bit, but I figured I would wait for you guys in case you guys wanted to see what it looked like. Got the Valvoline Restore and Protect. That's what I've been running in it. At about 50 hours, I just got this tractor. It's new to me, so I've only got maybe 70 hours in total on this tractor. First 25 hours, 30 hours, I had this in there as well. Changed it. This is the second oil change with it. Maybe another 25, 30 hours. Manual says to do it every 50 hours. So that's probably what I'll go to after this, once I fix the oil leak. But yeah, I actually got to talk to Lake Speed Jr. about this oil, because I've got a flat tappet camshaft in this tractor. So I asked him about it, and he said since it's API SP rated, it's absolutely fine for the air-cooled 20 horsepower like this is. So that's good to hear. If you guys are wondering about your flat tappet engines, he said the API SP is fine for that. We'll give it a drain now. Looked a little bit diluted. A little bit of fuel dilution in there. This is carb rated, so little extra fuel in the oil always. Yeah, not too bad, honestly. Pretty clear. Get my new Metabo light. You know, you could really see it. So a little bit of fuel, a little bit of water. I do keep this outside, so tarped up, but outside. Not too bad. I'm not going to pull the filter out right now just because I don't have the filter on hand. I'm going to go get it tomorrow. I'm actually going to be switching to the Purolator Boss PBL 20195 out of this. I'll be switching from this Napa 1516 just because the Purolator had a little bit better specifications on the flow rate than that Gold, and it's got the synthetic glass media, so it does flow a good bit better than this cellulose material that's in the Gold, and it's the same price, so why not? Big filter on there. I'm going to be putting an hours clock on this thing as well, so I could actually keep track of how many hours I'm doing. I've also got an oil temp sensor going in on the other side. Starting to get that ready tonight as well, so it'll be getting set up. But yeah, I don't know. The Restore and Protect looks good. Doesn't look like it's black and gunky, so it's good for the air-cooled engine. Figured I'd clean it up. I mean, this engine doesn't smoke or anything. It starts right up. Doesn't Doesn't bog down on me. No oil smoke in the exhaust either, even on startup, so pretty good engine. Well taken care of by the previous owner. Alright, I will tune back.